G'day my friends, how are you? So I built up the Dragon Ardennes set for Camp Group Piper. And that's Piper there. I'm not very happy with how he came up, but the other ones seem okay. His little luckies, his tank commanders. So I can put it with that Panther tank I just built. And that's the set there, and Dragon's going, so I don't know if they're going to continue this because it is starting to look very dated. But it'll work out. But I also thought I might build one of these new Tamiya figures. And look how advanced these things are. I've put the little grenade in and it fits in perfectly. You see how it's got the two sides of the body? So it's not going to be, it's like, you know, these ones are the, you know, traditional, you get a left and a right leg, so you get that, and then you get the torso bit, the arms and the head, but this is a whole new sort of way of doing it. So this is the figure I'm going to build. That one there. So we've got to put these side skirts on. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to build the torso first, put the side skirts on, and then we'll try and put the leg parts on and the arms and all that kind of stuff. But let's get this torso cracking. Get the torso cracking and see what she comes up like. The first side skirt went on perfectly. It just, everything looks like it's going to fit really well. You can even barely see the line in there. But it's really good because the line goes along, right along that cloth join. And then you've got the other join that goes down here. And you can barely see it without any filing. I'll do a little bit of file up work just to make it really invisible. But you can see everything has its place. That's where the bread bag will go. See, everything has its place. This is like super advanced. Alright, let's put the other two parts now. There's two parts we've got to put on here. That'll be a bit more difficult. Let's see how that goes. I am absolutely blown away by this figure kit. You see how the other side skirt's there? You can't see any of the joins. And I've put the first leg in, and that goes underneath. You see that cloth there? It's absolutely amazing. And I'm going to put this second leg part in. This part. Right now. So let's put that in and let's see how that comes out. I've put the other leg on and you can see where the join is. Just through there. And that's where it joins, because you can still see that the glue's a bit fresh. So right up there. And it goes under. Like that. It's really good, isn't it? Really good. Alright, let's put the arms on now. Well, we're going to put on some more accessories, I reckon, first, and then we'll put the arms on. Alright. Okay, so we have a lot of the parts ready now. I've put on all the accessories and the other leg, and it all fits really, really good. Like, every accessory has a place for it to fit in. And you can see even this gas canister, it lines up perfectly with the strap that is molded on the body. For some strange reason, he's got the just loose rounds there, and he's got the actual rounds for this gun here. But you can put those clip rounds in that gun, I suppose. But what we've got to do now is put a strap on that, and I'm going to put a photo etch strap on, so we'll do that now. Alright, so we've got the rifle on with the arms. It wasn't that easy to put on. You had to glue the rifle into the right arm there before you put the right arm in, and then you had to install a lower part of the hand underneath that rifle. after you installed the left arm. It wasn't that easy, but God, it's an effective look. It's like it's almost been all molded together as one. Alright, so now I put on a photo etch strap there. I just screwed in a little hook there at the end. But it looks pretty good. Alright, so let's put the head on and it'll be finished. Alright, I've got the head on now with the helmet, but there's no straps for the helmet, which is a bit of a letdown. But that's the figure. Pretty bloody impressive.